Okay, so I just read about this new memory framework called memU, and it's kind of blowing my mind.
Oh, really? What makes it so special? I mean, we have other memory structures for AI, right?
Exactly, but memU stands out because it organizes memory in this hierarchical file system with three layers: resource, item, and category.
3 layers. That does sound interesting. How does that even work?
So the resource layer is like the raw data warehouse, right? Then items are extracted memory units like preferences or habits.
Got it, and the category layer aggregates these into summaries. That's a pretty smart way to structure it.
Right, and what's cool is that it allows for full traceability from raw data to items and back.
That's a huge advantage for understanding how information evolves. But does it handle multimodal data too?
Yes, memU processes conversations, documents, images, and even audio and video. It's like a jack of all trades.
Wow, so it can actually unify different content types into the same hierarchy.
Exactly, imagine the cross-modal retrieval you could do. It's like combining all your notes, images, and chats into one brain.
That's fascinating, but I wonder about the efficiency. How fast is this retrieval process?
Great question. memU has dual retrieval methods, RAG for speed and LLM for deep understanding. It's versatile.
So one is better for quick answers, and the other is for nuanced understanding. That makes sense.
Exactly, but I'm curious about the limitations. Does using both methods complicate things?
Potentially, yes. The interface could be more complex. Plus, relying on multiple methods might slow things down in some scenarios.
That's a valid point, but the fact that it adapts its memory structure based on usage patterns is pretty cool.
Adaptive memory. That sounds like it can evolve over time, right? How does that work?
Exactly, as it processes more data, it reorganizes memory for efficiency. It learns what's important.
That's really neat. But does it risk losing important info if it focuses too much on what it thinks is relevant?
Good point, there's definitely a balance to strike between adapting and retaining critical information.
And I wonder how it differentiates between essential and non-essential data. That's a tough call.
For sure, it might need some fine-tuning based on user feedback to avoid missing crucial pieces.
Speaking of users, how does this system handle user data? Is it secure?
It has built-in access controls, which is great, but I'd still want to know more about data privacy measures.
Absolutely. Security is paramount, especially with all these different data types flowing in.
And that dual retrieval capability could also mean different security requirements for each method.
Right, but if they can get it right, this could really elevate how we think about AI memory and interaction.
Totally, plus, it's cool that they're launching a challenge for contributors to enhance the platform.
That's a great way to involve the community. I love how collaborative AI development is becoming.
Exactly, so thinking about all this, what do you see as the biggest takeaway?
I think it's the potential for a more nuanced and adaptable memory in AI. It could change everything.
And it opens up so many possibilities for personal AI applications. Imagine AI that truly understands you.
Yeah, like a memory that grows and evolves with you. That's pretty exciting.
And the thought of retrieving memories across modalities is just mind-blowing.
Right, but it also raises questions about how we manage and trust these systems.
Definitely, there's a fine line between helpful and intrusive when it comes to AI memory.
Absolutely. It'll be interesting to see how developers tackle these challenges moving forward.
For sure, and I think that's what makes this whole field so exciting, it's ever-evolving.
Agreed. Each new development can spark a whole new wave of ideas and innovations.
Exactly, and I'm curious how these evolving memory structures will affect user experience in the long run.
Right? It's all about finding that balance between functionality and user trust.
So many questions still need answers, but that's part of the journey, isn't it?
Absolutely. And that's what keeps us engaged and curious about what's next.
I can't wait to see where this leads. It's really an exhilarating time for AI.
Totally. Let's keep an eye on how memU develops and the impact it has on the community.